Hey, everybody out there in Expert Village. I'm Kenny Marrero with Expert Village, and I'm here just to kind of share a little bit about my culture, a little bit about my background. My family's from Puerto Rican. We're all from the islands, although I'm a New York Rican, but it's all right, though. It's still in the heart. My father was a chef in Puerto Rico, and I'm a graduate from college, by the way, so good thing for all you college people out there. Keep it going. And also, as a college survivor, what I've learned is to eat in, you save a little bit more money. So that's why I've inherited some of my father and my mother's skills for purposes of survival. All right? So here we go. Okay, so the dish that I'm going to be preparing for you is actually one of my personal favorites. It's arroz con gandules mezclado con picantes y chuletas. Picadito bien chiquitito. For anyone that doesn't understand Spanish out there, there really is no proper way to say arroz con gandules in English. So you're just going to have to figure it out. Arroz con gandules picados con cantito de chuletas.